Today we're learning the piano accompaniment of a very popular song, Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga in the original key of A major with F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. We'll begin with the intro, which sounds like this. Here's middle C for a reference. Starting with our left hand, we have A octaves for A major 7, then we have D for D major 7. Again, that's A octaves and D. For our right hand, we have C sharp, E, and G sharp played together for A major 7. Next, we'll keep our lower note C sharp and play F sharp and A for D major 7. So A major 7 and D major 7. The song is in 6/8 timing, so when playing with hands together, we'll play our right hand on the first and the fourth count, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On our left hand, we'll play only the beginning of each chord. So with hands together, our intro is A major 7 and D major 7. Alternatively, you can use this more rhythmic pattern. Here's A major 7 and here's D major 7. So for the intro, we have this. And then we begin our verse section with A major 7. I like this method more as it's a bit more rhythmic and interesting, but feel free to choose whichever works for you. For the verse section, we don't need to learn anything new. We'll just play the same chord progression twice, like so. A major 7, D major 7, A major 7, D major 7. For the pre-chorus section, we'll play D major 7 again, followed by A major 7. Then we have C sharp on our left hand, and B, E, and G sharp played together on the right to give us our C sharp minor 7. I love the next two chords. The first chord is F sharp sus4, where we have F sharp on the left, and B, C sharp, and F sharp played together on the right. Next, we'll move our right note from B to A sharp while keeping all the other notes the same and play our F sharp major chord. And these two chords will play half as long, with F sharp major chord played only once, like so. Let's play the last four chords again. So we have D major 7, A major 7, C sharp minor 7, F sharp sus4, and F sharp major played once, preparing ourselves for the chorus. This pattern is played in both the first and second pre-choruses, and I recommend playing octaves with your left hand for the second pre-chorus for a fuller accompaniment. This can be done in the verse and chorus sections as well, which creates a sense of momentum and emotional build-up. For the second pre-chorus, instead of repeating F sharp sus4 and F sharp major the same way as before, you can add this variation to showcase the chords. For F sharp sus4, on the right we'll play B, C sharp, and F together, followed by B, C sharp, F sharp, B, C sharp, and then play F sharp major once. So the last four chords are C sharp minor 7, F sharp sus4, and F sharp major. Adding this rhythmic variation is a fantastic way to create interest and offers the listener something fresh. This brings us to the chorus section. Starting with our left hand, we have B for B minor 7, E for E major, C sharp for C sharp minor 7, and F sharp for F sharp minor 7. Again, that's B, E, C sharp, and F sharp. On the right hand, for B minor 7, we have D, F sharp, and A played together. For E major, we have B, E, and G sharp played together. We're going to play the same notes B, E, and G sharp for C sharp minor 7. And for F sharp minor 7, we have C sharp, E, and A played together. Again, that's B minor 7, E major, C sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. With hands together, we have B minor 7, E major, C sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. These chords are played half as long, and this chord progression is played twice. Then we have B minor 7 and E major. What comes next is A major, E over G sharp, and F sharp minor 7. Let's break this down. For A major, we have A on the left, and C sharp, E, and A played together on the right. For E over G sharp, we have G sharp on the left, and B, E, and G sharp played together on the right. Then we have F sharp minor 7, which we already know. Next is B minor 7 and D over E, with E on the left, and D, F sharp, and A played together on the right. Let's go through the entire chorus section. B minor 7, E major, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7. Repeat the same 4 chords again. Then we have B minor 7, E major, A major, E over G sharp, F sharp minor 7, B minor 7, and D over E. Then we have A major 7 and D major 7 chord progression to transition to the second verse. For the second chorus, you can add this bass walk up on your left hand whenever switching from F sharp minor 7 to B minor 7. So we have B for B minor 7, E for E major 7, C for C minor 7, and F sharp for F sharp minor 7. Then on the left, we have F sharp, G sharp, and A, and then we play B minor 7. This happens in 3 areas in our chorus. So the second chorus will sound like this: B minor 7, E major, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, bass walk up to B minor 7, E major, C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, bass walk up to B minor 7, and E major, A major, E over G sharp, F sharp minor 7, bass walk up to B minor 7, D over E. This adds a bit more color to your playing. This brings us to the interlude, which is loosely based on the same chord progression as the beginning of the chorus. Focusing on the left hand, our first chord is B minor 9, where we'll play B, F sharp, and B. Next is D major 7 over E, where we'll play E, B, and E. Then we have C sharp minor 7 with C sharp, G sharp, and C sharp, and F sharp minor 7 with F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. On the right hand, we'll play A and C sharp together twice, followed by D and E. We'll play the same thing for D major 7 over E. For C sharp minor 7, we have B, E, and G sharp played together. And for F sharp minor 7, we have A, C sharp, F sharp, and A played together. You can roll your keys like so to make it sound nicer. Let's repeat the right hand with normal timing. With hands together, we have this: B minor 9, D major 7 over E, C sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. When practicing, start off very slow. Once you get used to it, you can slowly speed up your timing. This chord progression is played 4 times in the interlude. I absolutely love the third and final chorus because it uses different chords than the previous choruses. The first part of the third chorus is the same as the previous choruses. Then we play B minor 7, and instead of D over E, we'll play C sharp 7 with C sharp on the left and C sharp, F, G sharp, and B on the right. Then we have F sharp minor 7, and then we have B major with B, F sharp, and B on the left, and D sharp and F sharp on the right. Or you can just play B octaves on your left hand. So again, that's B minor 7, C sharp 7, F sharp minor 7, and B major. That last part, when moving from F sharp minor 7 to B major, we can also use that walk-up we did earlier with our left hand. Then the rest is the same. I'll play the last part of the chorus. Then at the end, we'll play our A major 7 and D major 7 chord progression, and this is played twice. And you can simply end the song with A major 7 or A major 9 with A on the left and C sharp, E, G sharp, and B played together on the right.